Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So, I'm going to be bringing you guys some information on how you can build your personal credit if you have a low credit score. So, today we have Continental Finance. Now, I love doing reviews on their credit cards because they make it easy for people with bad credit or with no credit or with just a lower credit to be able to get it approved for a few of their credit cards. And they also have really good limits. Now, I am reviewing the Build credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you do not need a perfect score in order to be approved for this credit card. Now, the initial credit limit for this credit card is $500. You can use your Build credit card at locations everywhere Master is accepted, which will be shopping, dining, even travel are on the future with your new Build credit card. Now, this credit card is designed to help you rebuild or improve your credit score when you make payments on time and you keep your balance under your credit limit. So I always recommend and tell people keeping your credit utilization under 30% is always good. Now, you may be eligible for your first credit limit increase after 6 months if you are building up your credit and making your payments on time. Now, with them, it is a milestone achievement. Continental will recognize that you are making your payments on time and review your account, giving you the opportunity to obtain a credit limit increase upon your request, subject to income and underwriting criteria at the time of your review. So they kind of take everything in consideration when they go ahead and do your credit limit increase. Okay, you can experience the rewards of more spending power at a lower credit utilization potential to raise your credit score. So when I have done my research on this credit card, people are saying that they have seen an increase. Well, first they seen a dip after accepting the terms and the conditions with this credit card, but about 2 to 3 months later, they did see an increase up to 10 points. So this credit card can definitely help your credit, especially if you have a lower credit score, just because it would give you those extra points to help you build your credit as long as you're making your payments on time. Now, with this credit card, there is zero liability protection. You will not be held responsible for any unauthorized charges on your Built credit card with zero fraud liability. You are only responsible for purchases that you make, so you can shop with confidence and know your card activity is fully protected. Now, they do report to all three major credit bureaus, which are TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. And also, they have a free monthly credit score. When you enroll in e-statements every month, you can check your credit score if you are building credit for the first time or repairing credit. You can see the impact actions like making your monthly payments on time will have on your credit report each month. So, I think this is a good card, especially if you have bad credit or no credit or trying to rebuild your personal credit. They starting limit for this credit card is at $500, but you can see an increase after 6 months all the way up to $3,000. And they do pull from Equifax. So before you apply for this credit card, just make sure that your credit profile is unlocked before applying for this credit card. Now, they also have the online account management, which you can log into your online account, manage systems to view statements, make payments, check due dates, and more. They also, of course, have the mobile app so that you can manage your account anytime from any mobile device, whether you have an Apple or if you have an Android. You can use their knowledge base of articles for guidance on various credit topics, such as credit utilization and how to build your personal credit. Of course, you will locate and review the details of your Build MasterCard agreement, and also, of course, detailed information on your Build credit card privacy information is available as well. So, again, this can definitely help with your online banking services. They offered the Build card payment, enroll to receive online statements for your Build card. You can also view your recent transactions, view previous statements, view payment history, view your balance, and other important Build credit info. So, if you do apply for this card, you should be expecting your card within 7 to 14 business days is the standard time when lenders do mail out credit cards. Okay. So, again, this could be a really great credit card, especially if you don't have any credit or if you are building credit. In order to also get this credit card, you guys, I forgot to mention this, but you must already have a credit card with them. Okay, they have multiple credit cards that I have done review on, and I will make sure that I go ahead and link those videos down below. Um, which is I wish I'm trying to pull that up right now so you guys can kind of have an idea of what you will have to be approved for first before you apply. So if you are looking to apply for this credit card, they have the Surge credit card, which I've done a review on, which is really great. These credit cards right here, you can just go ahead and apply without needing any invitation code. They have the Fit Master, the Reflex Master, the Serlin Master, the Verb Matrix, which we should do a review on next, the Surge, Reveal, and the Build credit card. So these are all pretty good credit cards to help you build your personal credit. Okay. So if you guys are looking for a way to help you build your personal credit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.